How long does it take to reset Verizon FiOS router?
Hello and welcome to our quick and easy guide on resetting your Verizon FiOS router. This is a straightforward process that can help you troubleshoot any connectivity issues you might be experiencing. In general, the process should take about 5 to 10 minutes.
When should I reset my router?
Resetting your router can be an effective solution for a variety of issues. If you're experiencing slow internet speed, frequent disconnects, or if you can't connect to your Wi-Fi at all, a router reset might help. Remember, this should be done as a last resort, after you've tried simpler solutions like restarting your devices or checking for service outages in your area.
What will happen after a reset?
After you reset your router, all of its settings will return to their factory defaults. This includes your Wi-Fi name, SSID, Wi-Fi password, and any customized settings you've applied. Make sure you have your default Wi-Fi network name and password, typically found on a sticker on the router, before you reset.
How do I reset my Verizon FiOS router?
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to reset your Verizon FiOS router. 1. Locate your router and find the reset button. It's usually on the back of the router and might be labeled Reset. 2. Use a paperclip, pen, or similar object to press and hold the reset button for at least 10 to 15 seconds. You might see the router's lights blink or change color. 3. Release the button and wait for the router to restart. This may take a couple of minutes. 4. Once the router is back on, connect to the default Wi-Fi network using the default network name and password found on your router. 5. If needed, reconfigure your router settings to your preferences. This might include changing your Wi-Fi name and password, setting up parental controls, or configuring firewall settings. And that's how you reset a Verizon FiOS router. Remember, it's a simple but effective troubleshooting step for dealing with internet connectivity issues. Make sure to keep your router's default network name and password handy, as you'll need them after the reset. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.